Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with the latest tips on making money online. Today, we've got an exciting topic that could transform your creative passion into a profitable venture. We're diving into how you can earn $10,000 per month by creating AI animated story videos. Yes, you heard that right. With AI tools and a bit of creativity, it's possible to build a substantial income stream. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Understand the market and set goals. First, research the market to find what kinds of animated stories are trending. Whether it's educational, motivational, or entertainment, knowing your niche is crucial. Set clear income goals and break them into manageable milestones. Step 2. Choose the right AI tools. Next, select an AI animation tool that fits your needs. Tools like DeepMotion, Plotagon, or Lumen 5 can help you create stunning animations. Invest in quality software for the best results. Step 3. Create compelling content. Develop engaging scripts and design visuals that captivate your audience. Add professional voiceovers and background music to enhance the overall experience. Step 4. Build your audience. Consistency is key. Publish regularly and optimize your videos for SEO. Engage with your viewers and build a community around your content. Step 5. Monetize your content. Explore different revenue streams like ad revenue, sponsorships, merchandise, and crowdfunding. Analyze your performance and adjust strategies to maximize income. Step 6. Scale up and innovate. Expand your reach by exploring new platforms and trends. Invest in learning and upgrading your tools and skills to stay ahead. And that's a wrap on how to earn $10,000 per month with AI animated story videos. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to comment below with your questions or tips. For more content like this, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.